Welcome to Sam's Club.
Wait, that's not even your size.
We didn't buy it yet. Can you put it back? No. Online friends and family, hello. Today we're going shopping again. We will see you there.
Is there toys here?
No. This store has no toys at all. Zero. Zero. Walking into the Sam's. About to get some bulky items. They don't got no bags. You know it. Yeah, man, here you go. Making a video right here.
Welcome to Sam's Club.
Yeah, all right. See? All right, there we go. Nice. That way towards the toys. Is that where you want to go?
Okay, but we can't get anything.
No, we're not. Just don't even go over there.
Alright.
What are you doing?
No. Mommy's trying to be nice.
And pink.
These are long spaces. Wait, that's not even your size. Evie, that's not even your size.
You can't just pick whichever one.
Okay, have your size.
Hey Evie, why are we going down this random aisle? Oh, you want to go back now? You're the one that requested to come down this aisle for no reason. Doesn't make any sense. Toss it in there. Hey, come on.
Hi, Ray. Hello.
Is that? No, that's not Wycon.
How to get out of this aisle, Mom? It's making me freeze.
Rory, do you want some apples?
Huh?
You want some apples?
Huh?
Huh? Okay, which apples do we want to get?
Papa.
Yeah, those are apples. Do you want to eat them?
Huh?
No? Okay, then we shouldn't buy them. Come on, let's go.
Huh?
Huh. Let's get these animal crackers. Here, this is your one item, okay? That's all you get, all right?
Yeah, let me put this in here. There's a bunch of animals. And me. Hey, Daddy.
Yeah?
Miss Tiffany eats these for lunch. My teacher.
Oh, your teacher eats those Doritos for lunch? The blue ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what the ones Daddy likes too.
But I like the red ones, but I didn't try the blue ones.
Oh, those aren't buttons, Nero. Those aren't buttons.
But
This is cough right in our cart. What COVID? Oh, Rory, hey, we can't take that fruit snack out of the package. We didn't buy it yet. Can you put it back? No. Can you put the fruit snack back? Oh, Daddy can have it? Oh, shit, thank you.
Daddy.
Okay, hold on. Let's get out of here.
All right, we're all done with that Sam's Club trip. It was pretty eventful. We got some of that cotton candy. Never had that before. Kids are super excited about that. Evie, you want to eat that cotton candy when we get home?
Yeah.
All right, that's it for us. We'll see you guys next time.